Calling all you creepy and creative nail art fans, it's T, your nail educator here at Maniology, and I'm so thrilled to unveil our 4th annual limited edition Halloween Countdown collection, Box of Night. This collection is arriving soon and it promises to be an unforgettable Halloween experience. In the twilight's gleam, a figure draws near. Mysterious and alluring, he whispers in your ear. Come to my castle where wonders reside. I'll shower you with gifts with me as your guide. This year, our Box of Night invites you to a realm of Halloween magic, sprawling darkness, and elegant gothic charm. This year's Box of Night includes 13 hauntingly hidden products for you to uncover, 5 exclusive in-collection products, 6 all-new themed nail stamping plates, enchanting stamping polishes, and so much more. And once the Box of Night is gone, it's going to be lost to the shadows, never to return. So prepare to be guided through a night of Halloween darkness. Sign up for a Maniology newsletter and check back on www.maniology.com to make sure you're ready for its grand release. And remember, August 19th, save the date. Let the mystery of Box of Night unfold. And we'll see you soon.